Around. Good morning, Tokyo Disneyland. There's the front door. This is cute. Look at that. This little Mickey's. And then when you walk in, the left side is the toilet bidet, which I am going to miss. Not all bidets are created equal. Some of them have heated seats, some of them don't. Some of them it has in English with the text, what the symbol means, and some of them don't. I haven't figured out what this does. I don't want the water to start shooting out of the toilet. And then this is like booty. This is the whole area. And then here's the pressure. This is the flush. I don't know what that means. And then this is to stop the water from shooting. Actually, I thought it was on a timer and then it never timed off. So then you have to hit the stop. And, oh, it actually has self-cleaning too. I want one of these toilets. Oh, so cute. Oh, the washcloth and the cups and the toothbrush kit and the window kit and toothbrush kit. Oh, and then here's a hair dryer and some tissue. Oh, more extra toothbrush. This is the shower area. So there's a tub in there, and then the shower is actually in this area. There's a stool for you if you need it. And yeah, this is different too. Like the top is the shower head. One of those knobs is the shower head, and one of them is just for the handheld, and then that's hot and cold on the bottom. And then it does have a swimming suit, like if you need to hang your clothes if they're wet. It has a netting. I don't want to go in there because somebody showered earlier. And it has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Got a little vanity and a closet that lights up. Oh, there's there's different ones. 2 whites and 1 orange. These are cute though. I just wanted to show you. It's a tapestry print of slippers. Here's the tea set. And the refrigerator. Oh, there's looks like it's pulling down. And then here's the logo, Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. This is a vanity area. And these are the light switches. They're not labeled, so you pretty much have to like round robin it. And this is for data, and this is their plug, the 2-prong plug. It comes with Kleenex. Here's a pretty bed. Oh, I got one of these done. I love it. I love those souvenirs. Oh, and there's a desk. Oh, and here is alcove bed. Oh, and then they put a luggage tag on there. Oh, it says welcome. We're in room 3116, and that is, oh, no, actually I forgot. There's a writing desk, and then there's TV. Oh, no, it looks like a writing desk. Actually, it's just a dresser. Oh, and then there's pajamas. Oh, the safe.
Is that what the...
Oh, that's the end of our tour. See you in the next one. Bye. Good morning. It is our last Disney day. We're having breakfast at Sherwood Garden Restaurant at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. This is scrambled eggs, a waffle, some lettuce, and I had 2 pork sausages there. I've already tried the eggs, and the eggs I felt like the eggs had cheese in it. And then the sausage it's sausage. And I haven't tried the waffle yet. The waffle's good. It has sugar in it. The waffle is very sweet. You don't need any maple syrup. Ooh, I should have butter. So just be aware that there's a lot of open mouth coughing, which doesn't make for a pleasant dining experience, to be honest. So pretty. Arigato gozaimasu. That concludes the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!